Switch gears to matters related to COVID-19, the administration of J&J vaccine countrywide has officially started today. This is according to the Ministry of Health that is now cautioning Kenyans against being roped into the sale of fake COVID-19 vaccines. Just yesterday, 3 people were arrested and arraigned in court following the distribution of fake J&J vaccines in Kasarani area here in Nairobi. Zaida Mohammed with the details.
After the arrest and arraignment of 3 suspects in court yesterday following the distribution of fake Johnson & Johnson vaccines in Kasarani area, Nairobi County, the Ministry of Health has issued a warning to Kenyans against being gullible as far as the sale of COVID-19 vaccines is concerned. According to the ministry, the deployment of Johnson & Johnson vaccines began today.
Fake J&J was nabbed through our surveillance system, working very closely with Nairobi Metropolitan NMS, and 3 people have been arrested and will be arraigned in court.
J&J just came into the country last week on Friday, so I'm surprised that some people are purportedly immunizing people with J&J in early July and August. I don't know where the hell they would have gotten it from. If us as a government we could not be able to access, and you even saw the doses that we received quite limited, telling you that this vaccine, in terms of availability, is still quite, the space is still quite constricted.
Further, the ministry says, due to the limited supply of J&J, the vaccines will be prioritized for the most vulnerable groups, with its deployment being done in major public hospitals across the country. For the over 100,000 vaccine defaulters choosing to wait for the deployment of J&J vaccines, the ministry says no mix and matching of vaccines will be done in the country.
We have 90 to 100,000 people who are due for the second dose based on our change platform and have not reported. But we think this is a misnomer because many people are waiting for a particular vaccine, and we know from the system if you got AstraZeneca, you are going to get AstraZeneca. So if you are waiting for a different vaccine, please don't delude yourself. And our appeal to you is to come out, go to your nearest designated vaccination center and get vaccinated.
The country received its first consignment of 141,000 J&J vaccines last week, with subsequent consignments expected in the coming weeks. J&J is highly preferred due to its one-shot administration mode. Zainab Mohammed, T47.